Y'all, I'm working on some prototype knives right here. I have not really, I put a picture on Facebook earlier, but I am oiling them up. This is, my friend over in Alabama, Mr. Don, told me, said, I like these small knives, said they're getting really popular. He said, you're gonna make knives, he said, you need to design a small knife. A friend of mine a couple years ago had come by and showed me one of his. So this is what we have come up with. Now this is the prototype I have been experimenting with. This is a sycamore, just like my Jonah knife. So I was putting it on Facebook, asking, about names. Somebody said, you need to keep the name of them Bible themed, as I call this one Jonah. He said, you need to call it Little David. And I was like, David's a lot more than that. And I said, I'm going to name on this design the Gideon. Because I don't know if any of you remember, and this is purple looking wood. I don't even know really what it is. I put a lanyard hole in them. Gideon told the angel, he said, I am the least in my father's house. Yet the angel said, thou mighty man of valor. Y'all, this little knife is going to be mighty, because you talk about a skinning little joker. Small knife. We will make they will come with this piece of number 72 bank line on them. Dadgummit.